Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send items to your friends and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this game, we'll be able to send items to our friends using this mailbox feature. You can go to the mailbox in front of your garden. You can tap and hold on it, and then you're going to choose someone that you want to send to. I'm going to choose this one, and then here we can send gear items, props items, or the pets. You can send your pet like this, but I'm just going to send the troll, and you can add a note, just optional, and then you can click on send like this, and yeah, the gift has been sent. So guys, you can use this mailbox to send gift to the other players or your friends and grow a garden too. Okay guys, and that's how you can send item or gift to your friends and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.